Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listeners, a very good morning and welcome all of you. Today's lecture, dear students, first of all I bring to draw your kind immediate notice and focus on our previous lecture in which we were expressing and we were deriving the various equations, expressions, the change in entropy in various processes. I meant to say for changing an entropy to calculate its value in the isothermal process, isochoric process and isobaric process. Today's lecture, dear students, is mainly based on numerical problem regarding to solve change in entropy in various process. Dear students, first one numerical I am going to solve, I am going to discuss to deliver here based on change in entropy. The first one numerical I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Numerical first one, that is for an ideal gas of its 1 mole, its initial temperature and pressure are as 20 degrees Celsius and 1 atm respectively. Now pressure and temperature of the gas are increased by 50 degrees Celsius and 8 atm. Then calculate the value of change in entropy for ideal gas given Cp is equals to 5 upon 2R. Dear students, once again I am going to deliver today the numerical based numerical solve lectures today, which is selected from BSc Part 2 Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 2nd, titled as Thermodynamics 2nd, based on absolutely focused on to calculate the value of change in entropy. The first one numerical, once again I repeat, for an ideal gas of its 1 mole, its initial temperature and pressure are as 20 degrees Celsius and 1 atm respectively. Now pressure, temperature of the gas are increased by 50 degrees Celsius and 8 atm pressure. Then calculate the value of change in entropy for ideal gas given Cp is equals to 5 upon 2 R. The solution I am going to solve on the blackboard here according to the conditions of the numericals here. Temperature and pressures, various values of the pressure and temperature given. P1 is equals to 1 atm, P2 is equals to 8 atm, Cp given by the condition of the numerical Cp is equals to 5 by 2R. T1 initial temperature 20 degrees Celsius, now 8 to 73 to give the value of 293 Kelvin. Similarly, next one, extended temperature T2 is equals to 50 degrees Celsius, 323 Kelvin by the addition of 273 absolute temperature for N is equals to 1 mole. Now substitute these values using equation number 11. Look at the blackboard, dear students. Yesterday we have calculated the value of change in entropy in terms of temperature and pressure. The fundamental equation shows as that is of 11. Now all these values now substitute in equation number that is of 11. Equation number 11 shows to give us the fundamental quantitative relationship change in entropy with temperature, and that is of pressure here. 2.303 I am writing as such here. Cp is equals to, that is 5 upon 2R. Log T2 upon T1 I am writing here log T2 upon 23 upon 293, and next one that is of log P1 upon P2. P1 1.0 atm, P2 is equals to 8 atm, and on solving del S is equals to, we get 15.26 joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse, where R is equals to 8.314 joule mole inverse. Next one, after the completion of numerical number 1 based on change in entropy, which is depending upon simultaneously for that is of temperature and that is of pressure. Next one numerical, that is it is very special, outstanding numerical, because a special condition is applied, is applicable in numerical number 2nd The numerical number second I am reading here, that is in isochoric process 1 mole of an ideal gas is warmed from 300 Kelvin to 500 Kelvin. They calculate the change in entropy given Cv is equals to 3/2R. Dear students, two important condition, specific condition given in numerical number 2. First one, this numerical number second is occurring is that is the isochoric process. Isochoric process is the process which occurs as constant volume. And you know, second one special condition which is given in this numerical, temperature is extended 300 to Kelvin to that is the 500 Kelvin here. Dear students, here you need not to add here according to term and condition. So now put down these equation, these values in equation number that is a 15 here. This one equation number, fundamental equation of change in entropy in isochoric process. Del S is equals to 2.303 Cv log T2 upon T1 here. According to term and condition, Cv is equals to, by the numerical, Cv is equals to 3/2R, T1 is equals to 300 Kelvin. You need not to add 273 because already 273 added directly. You have to put down, you have to substitute the value of T1 is equals to 300 Kelvin. T2 is equals to 500 Kelvin. The students, the blunder mistake do in the examination. Already Kelvin temperatures in both T1 and T2 given Kelvin. You need not to add extra 273 Kelvin of the temperature here. You have to use, you have to put down, you have to substitute directly. T1 is equals to 300 Kelvin, T2 is equals to 500 Kelvin. When these values substituting the fundamental equation of change in entropy which is occurring in isochoric process, del S is equals to, this one is equal to 2.303 3/2R log 500 upon 300. On solving, del S is equals to 6.37 joule inverse mole inverse, where R is equals to that is of 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Ideal gas constant, that is you have studied in that is the BSc part 1. Next numerical is very special and different condition is applicable. Numerical number 3 I have mentioned here. Look at the blackboard, dear student, look at the blackboard here. Very special numerical based on change in entropy in different process here. That is this one numerical number 3, calculate the value of change in entropy for 2 mole of ideal gas to expand value from 10 liter to 20 liters for isothermal process here. This one numerical number 3 is very that is a special numerical. Once again, this one numerical 3 I repeat here. Calculate the value of del S for twice mole of an ideal gas to expand the value of volume from 10 liter to 20 liter in isothermal process. Dear students, in isothermal process, let us solve the numerical number 3 by condition isothermal process here. By condition isothermal process, you know equation number 12, it will be applicable here. This one process, this one in that is of you focus your mind here in isothermal process here. In this one case, del ST, it is the combined form, it is the joint form. Change in entropy with respect to temperature with that is of volume here. You know this process, reaction or system is undergoing in isothermal process. Mean this T1 will be equals to that is of T2. This one equation number, fundamental equation of change in entropy in that is of an isothermal process, equation number 12 you have to that is of apply here, and is equals to 2 mole here. Volume is extended, volume is increased by that is of you know V1 is equals to this one 10 liter to that is of V2 is equals to 20 liters, and these values when are substituted in fundamental equation number 12, the value final comes out on solving. I have mentioned here joule Kelvin inverse mole inverse. These were the 3 important numerical based on change in entropy in various process. Regarding by means of that is of reversible, that is of isothermal process, isochoric process, isobaric process, and get together that is of combining of by joining of overall change in entropy, temperature and pressure. And dear students, the lectures of today is now completed here. Now I shall be deliver tomorrow the next lecture on change in entropy with that is of various parameters I mean to say change in entropy with temperature and volume and pressure, and the dependency of change in entropy with temperature, with volume and pressure in normal conditions here. Thank you very much.